Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be breaking down Xpeng. We're going to talk about what it could possibly do this week, where I think it's heading, and what you should do. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you that I do have a free Discord server, link in description below. We're very active during market open, after market open, whatever time frame during the day that you need help, we're here for you. So if you have questions about a specific stock, your entry or exit, just let us know. Join the chat and we'll be more than happy to help you. Let's get right into the video. Let's talk about Xpeng and let's talk about where it's going this week. Now, I'd like to also mention though that NIO reported some bullish news going into the end of this quarter. They reported an increase of massive amounts of vehicles. And let's talk about Xpeng because this could be a forecast of what Xpeng could report when they release their numbers. Now, the first couple levels we need to look at from the technical side is this 4029 level. We need to make sure that we hold this level right here at 4029. Now, the very immediate level I'm looking at right now is right here around this 4360 level. This acted as a strong support so many times before. Look how many times buyers came in on this stock and kept it above this price level. It held it here multiple times before, and then we finally broke, and then we got rejected. So, as I've talked about many times before, old supports act as new resistance levels and vice versa. So, old resistance levels act as new supports. Right now, it's acting as a new resistance level. So, if we want to be bullish on Xpeng, we got to get above this level and hold above it because it acted as a support here so many times before. Now, let's say we do get above this level on Monday just because Xpeng is reacting very bullish to NIO's number because that's a forecast of what Xpeng could deliver when they release their numbers. So let's say that's the bullish case on Monday, right? Well, what am I looking for? Well, the first level right here, we need to get above that. And then the next resistance level I'm looking at, guys, is at 4806. The reason I'm looking at this level is because we got rejected over here several times before, and then we held the level over here. So we know that once we get above this level, we're bullish because we've held this level and we've just took off before. So we know that once we get above 4806 and hold above it, we can start taking off once again. But if we get rejected, then we're just coming back down to test the support right here. And there's only so many times before the support falls through like it did here. So if you're bullish on Xpeng going into tomorrow, which I think we are just because of this huge delivery news for NIO, I think we're going to push up. Now, this could happen Tuesday or Wednesday where we get above this resistance level. We don't have to do this all in one day. Keep that in mind. We have this whole full week, unlike, last week, it was only a short week. This week is completely full, so we have plenty of time to get above resistance and hold above it. Now, once we get above and hold above resistance, the next level I'm looking at is for some consolidation, and then ultimately right here at 5667. So this is a strong resistance line once again because it acted as a strong support before. So we know that once we get to this level, there could be some sellers. We could get rejected like we did over here. But if you're bullish, you just want to see a little bit of hesitation. Not too much. You don't want to get instantly rejected like we did over here, and then we just take off. And then we can talk about heading back to all-time highs once again. But until we get above this 4806 level, then we can't have the all-time highs talk. We need to hold above it. The most important thing is holding above it. Notice how that we did get above it over here, but we came instantly screaming down, then tested this as a resistance now, and just came floating down. So if you're bullish on Xpeng, we definitely need to get above this level right here at 4360, 4370. We need to get above that and hold above that tomorrow. But it looks like NIO is going to be very bullish tomorrow. So I think Xpeng should follow suit just because Xpeng and NIO are very similar. So they should forecast a huge amount of vehicle deliveries as well from this last quarter, finishing up the year strong. Either way, I'm bullish on Xpeng going into tomorrow's session. Now, for all those of you holding Xpeng long term, I know this is exciting news for you. You're going to see that NIO is doing good, so you expect the Xpeng to do as good as well. So I know a lot of you got really high averages up here. So it's been very disheartening to watch it just slowly bleed off. Trust me, I know how it feels, but as long as you stay patient and as long as you believe that this stock is good for the future, then it will turn around, and I think that is what is happening. But we still can't be blind. We still need to look at these technical levels. We still need to keep in mind because we can get rejected at any time. Even though we have these bullish news, we can still sell off on Xpeng, and also Nia as well. So keep in mind that we need to get above these levels and we need to hold above it. If we don't, then the bearish case scenario is that we come back down to here and then we just have to hold this level here at 40.29. I don't want us breaking 40.29 because if we do, we're heading back into this range and possibly hitting 35.93. But I'm extremely bullish on Xpeng, and I think it has a lot of good things coming for it, just like Neo has as well. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe, and also leave a comment below. Let me know how many shares you hold in Xpeng, what's your average, and what's your outlook for Xpeng. Anyways, I will see you all in the next video.